What are white-collar crimes?
One set of calls that I receive to my office on a frequent basis involve crimes in federal court, and not crimes in the nature of robbery or burglary or murder, but rather what we call commonly white-collar crimes. White-collar crimes can be anything from a bankruptcy fraud to tax fraud to embezzlement from a company to what's called a Ponzi scheme, such as the one that we all know Bernie Madoff was involved in. Although not a robbery or a drug charge or other blue-collar or crimes, these white-collar crimes in federal court, either here in the District Court of New Jersey or elsewhere, carry the same significant penalties as other criminal offenses. White-collar crimes are determined by the amount of money that the federal government is alleging that an individual defendant took or stole or embezzled from a company, person, individual, or group of individuals. Despite the fact that these cases don't involve anything of violence, they are quite significant in nature. As a matter of fact, in federal court, a small loss amount to these individual investors or to the bankruptcy court can result in significant penalties to a criminal defendant, even if he or she didn't believe they were doing anything wrong. A consultation with an experienced federal attorney is a must, as loss amounts and sentencing guideline ranges for white-collar criminal defendants can add up quickly. And an individual who believed that they were dealing with a case that should be a quote-unquote slap on the wrist, all of a sudden are facing significant time in federal prison. Again, a consultation with an experienced federal criminal attorney should be made and had immediately upon notification from a federal department that you are either under investigation or being charged with a white-collar federal crime.